friends, how are you? I am here today to teach you a vegan mayonnaise. As some of you might know, I studied to be a vegan chef a few years ago in Bali, and it was the most fun experience of my life, something I will highly recommend to everyone. So I'm going to show you a very easy vegan mayonnaise. This has nuts, this has cashews, but we also do another one that's without cashews, but today I'm teaching you one that's made just with cashews and very simple ingredients, but it's so surprising how fantastic it tastes. So first things first, I am Chef Anita at WannaBee Chef. This is our channel, Plant-Based Cooking by WannaBee Chef, and we have a website. We teach cooking classes, and by we I mean my daughter Chef Rama, and I'm Chef Anita. So we have some fantastic classes. We would love for you to look it up and join us there for our classes. We have special gift cards, we have individual classes, we have group classes, and we have some really very interesting classes, and we have children's classes. So I think you would really enjoy that. Everybody who's taken a class with us has actually enjoyed it a lot. So we have Rama and I both have very different cooking styles, but it really comes together very well. Today, as I said, I'm teaching you a vegan mayo. All I did was, these are cashews, sprouted cashews, and the reason they're broken up is because when you buy them broken up, they're cheaper than the whole. That's the only reason. But these are sprouted. By that I mean they were soaked overnight, and if you didn't have enough time or you forgot, do it for about a couple of hours in hot water and just let it soak in water. This is 1 cup, and the water could be about 3 cups of water. So the only thing you have to do is make sure that you throw this water out. It contains certain enzymes which are not really good for you. So when you soak these, drain the water and wash them. So that's what I've done with these cashews. They were soaking overnight, and then I washed it, okay? So that's the main star of this. So I'm gonna start turning my camera down so you can see that. So I'm throwing my cashews into my Vitamix, the ones that I had drained out. One of my favorite blenders, by the way. Put a bit of salt it as we go along. And to this, you can add lemon juice. This is about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of, this is brown in color because it's coconut palm sugar, which is much more healthier for you than white sugar. But if you're eating white sugar, you could go with that. Add about 1/2 cup of water. That's it. And then I'm gonna add nut pod, or you can add any nut creamer or any non-dairy creamer of your choice, okay? It could be anything that you usually use. So this is about, I would say, 1/2 cup of any non-dairy milk or creamer that you like. Okay, to this, all I'm gonna do is close it up and now start blending it really well. So I'm gonna have to turn off the camera because it's so noisy. So give me a moment and I will be back. So here we are with the finished mayo. All I did with mine was, I found the sour less because my lime wasn't very sour. I added a little bit of white vinegar, but look at the consistency, how it is. It pours out, you can make it thicker. I like mine to be like this. So that would depend on the water that you add. And just taste it. And it is exactly like mayo. Yeah. And you could actually do this flavored with garlic or with any herbs or spices of your choice. So you'd have a garlic mayo or any mayo of your choice. Any herbs that you like, if you like it rosemary flavored or sage, anything that, you know, or dill would be fantastic in this, a dill mayo. It's so good to use like I showed you in a seafood salad, which I have a vegan seafood salad, a potato salad, a mixed vegetable salad. So this works great as a creamy dressing. You could add some celery powder and make it into a ranch dressing. So there's innumerable different flavors you can work with this. But this is the basic mayo, and it's really great. It's so simple and such few ingredients. All you need is some sprouted cashews, some sweetener of your choice. I used coconut palm sugar, any kind of acidic sour ingredient, like I used some lemon juice and some white vinegar. So it's up to you, and salt of course, but it gives you such a fantastic creamy dressing or a mayonnaise. So enjoy this, and for other videos like these and other interesting tips on cooking and cooking easier in your kitchen, come back to our channel, Plant-Based Cooking by WannaBee Chef. Come and watch us on our website. We have fantastic cooking classes for adults and children, cooking parties, gift cards. So, a lot of fun things happening in our kitchens. And it's Chef Rama, my daughter, and myself, Chef Anita. And we look forward to seeing you and signing up and meeting you, let's say, in our Zoom classes. So I call it meeting you personally, and love to see you again. Thank you so much for watching this video.